Each of our 5 whales have their own personalities. Takara, Sakari, and our 2 males, 10 years old. Kamea and Sakari's mother, Takara, is the oldest one. She's 32 years old. She's also the matriarch of our family.
She's older than me.
She's the leader.
She's the leader, 32 is the...
These whales trust us. And they act to demonstrate some of these behaviors. Now, one of the very first things that we'll teach the whales is a behavior called a 3%. While the whales
fish, not water.
into the great bone underside of the whale's body. Another important diagnostic tool is whether the way the whales want to lead by asking them to slide their entire bodies out of the water onto a kilo-sized scale located in one of the back adjacent pools. And that's how we know, as of this past Tuesday morning, Takara is weighing at over 4,600 pounds. It's very important that we learn all of this to make sure the young ones like Sakari and Kamea are growing
That's
appropriately
4,600
and now older.
His legs point at her.
Here at SeaWorld, they follow the leader with us, following our movements. So with the help of Eduardo, we're going to put them to the test. Now, why don't you take one of your hands, stick it high in the air, and get Kamea with a big wing.
Stand right there, take a picture with it. Oh, stand right here, take a picture with it, big girl. Stand right here, take a picture behind you. Hurry, move. Stand right here. Like, hurry.
That was great. Killer whales can communicate in a variety of ways. And they can indicate different parts of their body and tap it on the surface of the water.
Oh, I see him right there.
Over here on the other side, you're going to help us demonstrate. Why don't you take one of your hands, stick it high in the air, and then you're just going to bring it. I take it back.
Let me do it. Where to see you?
Oh, beautiful! Which is located right on top of their heads. Scientists believe that when a killer whale leaps out of the water and crashes back down, thank you so much for being such a great sport.
He's made right there.
Depending on where they live and their off the coast of South America, killer whales will be riding in on waves just long enough to catch prey.
I didn't see his eyeball. Was that where you said his eyeball?
They'll also create waves that knock animals like penguins or seals from ice cliffs. Most importantly, they cooperate, communicate, and coordinate as a team. Here's footage of killer whales corralling a school of herring. A whale dips in and feeds, while the other whales keep the fish together with swipes of their tails.
They use first legs to stun their prey, and they can even reach themselves completely out of the water. For these whales, it's a fun demonstration, but for you, it's the